Hey there! Have you ever wondered why everyone keeps telling you that investing in your education is worth it? Well, let me break it down for you. First of all, education opens doors. It's like having a master key to opportunities that you wouldn't even know existed otherwise. Whether it's landing your dream job, traveling the world, or starting your own business, education lays the foundation for all these adventures. But it's not just about the money. Sure, statistics show that people with higher education tend to earn more over their lifetimes. But it's also about personal growth and fulfillment. Learning new things keeps your brain sharp and makes you a more interesting person. Plus, the friendships and networks you build during your educational journey can last a lifetime. Think about it this way. Education is an investment in yourself. And unlike other investments, this one never depreciates. The skills and knowledge you gain are yours forever. They become part of who you are. So, the next time you're buried under a pile of textbooks or stressing over exams, remember this. Every effort you put in is a step toward a brighter, more rewarding future. Investing in your education pays off big time. Not just in terms of your career, but in every aspect of your life. Keep pushing forward, and you'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your educational journey. Catch you in the next video.